Question number 28 of test series 1 is from Geotechnical Engineering from topic Foundation Engineering. And in this question it is asked that what will be the load of failure of n equal to 16 number of pile group having diameter is equal to 45 centimeter each and center to center spacing is 1.5 meter. So pile group will look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 in this direction, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, making 4 pile in each row and columns. Now center to center spacing can be marked as 1.5 meter, which is equal to 150 centimeter also, and the diameter of each pile is given as 45 centimeter. So we can see that length of each side, since it is square arrangement, so length and breadth will be equal. So length will be given by 3 times of 150 because center to center spacing is 1, 2 and 3 plus twice of d by 2. 1 d by 2 for this pile to take end distance and 1 d by 2 for this pile, making it 3 into 150 plus d. So d comes out to be 45 centimeter as given in the question. So length of each side is given by 4.95 meter. Let's say this is breadth. Let's not confuse this with length of the pile. Length of the pile is given as 10 meter. Also alpha, that is mobilization factor, is given as 0.7 and C is given as 40 kilonewton per meter square. Now we have to calculate two types of failures that can occur. One is capacity of group. Capacity of group, which is given by Q equal to C into perimeter of this pile group, which is 4 into B multiplied by length. So this is equal to C is given as 40 into 4 into B is 4.95 into length of pile is 10. So it comes out to be 7920 kilonewton. Also, if piles act individually, individual action, since nothing is mentioned that whether they are friction piles or they are end bearing piles, then we will take by convention them as skin friction piles. So Q in that case is given by 16, where 16 is number of piles, into alpha mobilization factor, into C into pi into D into L. This term accounts for surface area of each pile. C is cohesion, alpha is shear mobilization factor and 16 is number of piles. So after substitution this Q comes out to be 6333.45 kilonewton. So lesser of these two values, that is because of action of group or action of individual pile group will fail in individual action. So this is the correct answer, that is 6333.45 is Q for the given condition. Hence B is the correct answer.